Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down, I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold.
Andito tayo ngayon sa Mascam. Itatry natin yung sinasabi nilang secret trail. So guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Mascap at itatry natin yung sinasabi nilang secret trail. Tingnan natin kung maganda. Kakanan tayo dito, alam ko eh. Dito yung tinuro ng kaibigan ko. Kanan tayo dito, tama. Ito na yung first part ng trail. Sabi nila mayroon tayong tatawirang ilog. Sementado pa yung una. Sorry. Maganda dito, probinsya. Ito yung first part ng trail. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kahaba nito. Oh, sarap. Ay, alas naman. Ay, tapos diretso lang. Sana tama ako. Hindi ko kabisado to. Tama. Tapos ngayon, ito yung sinasabi nilang ilog na tatawirin natin. Bago kasi kadena ko ay maluwag. Uy, sa'yo naman nakakatakot. Unang ilog. Ako, pusang titigil. Pangatlong tawid na natin sa ilog. Oh. Ay. Dito. Ay. Oops. Pang-apat na tawid na. Pang-apat na tawid. Kaya dito guys, try nyo dito. So yun na nga, tapos na tayo sa first Spartan Trail. Ngayon papunta na tayo sa second Spartan Trail. Ngayon papunta na tayo sa second part, guys. Sana mahaba, medyo maikli pala yung una. Sabi nila mahaba do. So baka mabilis lang ako. Oh shit, may tatawid. May tatawid pa yung ilog pa. May ilog pa pala. Ay, grabe. Secret trail daw to eh. I think di na to secret trail kasi alam ko na eh. Sa ngayon wala pa tayo sa second part ng trail. Papunta pa lang tayo. Sana kabisado ko man. Sinurot na ako. Aray. 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 Tayo pa. Kailangan natin bilisan dahil magdidilim na. Whew. Nakapagod din. Teto yung palabas. Eastwood. Doon pa. Doon pa, no? Salamat. Yung pababa din yan, di ba? Salamat. Ah, tama. Kapagod din. Hindi ako pwede mag-heavy gear dahil bago yung kadena ko dumudulas pa. Oh. Ito na ata. Ito na yung second trail. Nadaan. Oh. Ah. Yun lang, nabitin. Nabitin tayo. Mali. Uy, sarap. Guys, ito yung second trail na sinasabi nila. Oh, ang sarap. Yung nga na, tapos na agad. Hindi ko alam ko alam. Minix. Dahan lang po. So yun na nga guys. Yun na yung first at second. Medyo maikli siya pero masaya naman. Hopefully try nyo rin. Dito lang to sa barangay Mascap.